to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know. The Tiddly Peeps, the Tiddly Peeps. If we need to know who, what, where, why, when, and how, we'll ask them off we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know.
Who will do Tiddly Peeps?
He will do, Hyla.
Oh, hello, Connie. Hello, Inez. Inez, what are you doing?
We're making puppets, Hyla.
Oh, Groove made a puppet earlier.
We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know. The Tiddly Peeps, the Tiddly Peeps. If we need to know who, what, where, why, when, and how, we'll ask them off we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. On the road we go. We're off to see the Tiddly Peeps. They're smart. They're fun. They know.
Who will do Tiddly Peeps?
Who will do, Tula?
Wow, these pictures are hoobly groobly.
They're supposed to be clouds.
They look just like them. Can you...
Three little motorets from Hooran, Toodle Twang and Tip by name. We like to play at being puppets. It's a very favourite game. You pull a string to make my arms work. You pull a string to make me run. You pull a string.
You make me sing.
You pull a string.
You make me sing.
Being a puppet is such fun. You pull a string.
You make me sing.
You pull a string.
You make me sing.
Oh, being a puppet is such fun.